Filling out surveys shouldn't feel like a test your customers have to do for their business class. Customers will likely opt out of giving you feedback altogether if your surveys are long and boring. So, how to stop this from happening? I'm Sabina, a content manager at Survicate, a tool G2 named easiest to use in the spring of 2023. And if you want to create fun surveys, the process should be fun too, right? Or at least simple. Anyway, here are 4 things you can do to make sure customers enjoy filling out your surveys. Number 1, use friendly language. Here's the thing. You want to be professional to your customers, but if you get too formal, the survey may start to feel like homework. It's important to find the right balance between academic jargon and slang. Speak to your customers like they are people. And don't attempt to sound like an AI model. Customers shouldn't have to put extra effort into figuring out what you're actually asking them. So stick to the tried and true phrases in customer feedback. Also, don't shy away from emojis. I'm not saying you should make puzzles and ask readers to decipher them, but if you want to come across less formal, it won't hurt to throw in an emoji or two, but more on that later. Number 2, ask fun survey questions. Asking some funny questions is a great way to gauge customer loyalty, especially if the respondent isn't expecting it. Think of the now famous Wendy's account on Twitter. Their feed is far from formal, and yet people seem to be responding to it well. It looks like more authenticity and communication from brands is an asset to have. Just the interest in tweets is great publicity and great fodder for memes. It's free press on social media. What could be better than that? Since they rebranded their social media presence, their trending escalated around 2016. So don't be afraid to alternate the hard-hitting questions with something a little more relaxed. Try to intertwine questions like, is pineapple on pizza a crime? Would you rather fight 10 duck-sized horses or 1 horse-sized duck? In long surveys. While the data may not be particularly actionable, it's definitely unexpected, and it will surely make the respondents sit up and at least read the following questions twice. But don't overdo it, because adding too much can get old fast. And always provide skip options. Number 3, use emojis. We live in a day and age of emojis. They're everywhere. Even dictionary.com recently added emojis to their website. Adding emojis can increase the number of people who actually finish the survey without affecting the data. Studies show that using emojis, along with shorter versions and answer options, can help decrease the number of people who quit the survey midway. WARC has also found that emojis could boost survey completion. Definitely worth trying it out. And number 4, provide conversational answers. Personally, I think this is the best one in the set. When you're polling about your business, there's a lot of opportunity for the standard yes or no options that you can just jazz up a little with conversational language. For example, if the question is, would you like to receive a complimentary chocolate bar with your next delivery? Don't do the typical yes and no, and go for a more unique set of answers. Look how much more emotion is conveyed with these options. But beware and use with caution. You don't want your CSAT survey to look like this. Maybe stick with a smiley scale for that one. Making surveys fun to fill out can boost your engagement and completion rates. But you need to find the right balance between fun and useful. Check out the Survicate gallery of templates. All were expertly designed, and you can find surveys and questionnaires on both ends of the spectrum. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe, and watch more videos, like this one here.